Hello there. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do three things. I did unboxing video for my MacBook Pro 13-inch basic model, and I was able to get this one, like I told you, for $1,000. What I wanted to do, I wanted a new one and I was prepared to pay $1,200. However, I was able to get one for $1,000 due to the fact that Micro Center here in Chicago, I don't know if they have them somewhere else in the country, has MacBook Pros 13, the basic model, for $9.99 during the month of April. So I figured I had $200 in my pocket, so I figured I'm gonna upgrade this MacBook Pro to a bigger hard drive, because the hard drive that comes with it is a joke. I think Apple pays maybe $20 for that drive. So what I bought is I bought a Toshiba 1 terabyte drive, which is a little thicker than your standard drive. However, from what I've been hearing is that it does fit this MacBook Pro. Okay, so that's the drive. I'm gonna open it right now. Thing number two I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upgrade memory. I have sticks. These are 4 gigabyte sticks, and I bought all these items I bought on eBay. Okay, the hard drive was $80 and the memory was $90. That included the shipping. And thing number three is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on incase black plastic case. I tried different brands. I tried Feather. However, when I put that one on, what happened was it was on top of the MacBook Pro. It was sticking up for some reason. It wasn't flat with the surface. Okay, so here I have my scissors. You will need a tool. Here I bought this tool at Micro Center also. You see it's got 6 different attachments. This is a very, very tiny itty bitty screwdriver, and you're gonna need. I don't think it's like it's not a hexagon. I'm not sure what to call this. It's like a star shape tool that you will need at some point inside Mac when you open it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the memory sticks. I'm gonna cut these open. Not memory stick, I'm sorry, memory. I'm sorry this video is not in high def because my wife took my camera, so that's the best we can get. Okay, here's one stick unboxed. I'm gonna do another one right here. Okay. I know it's going to be hard for me to do this one-handed, so at some point I'm going to put. I'm doing this video, by the way, with the old ipod Nano, so I know the quality is not going to be the best, but I got to do with what I have. Okay, this is the second stick that I opened. Okay, now the hard drive. Okay, I opted for Toshiba 1 TB drive. Okay, so it looks like. See better this way. Okay. Okay, so that's the drive. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the case also, because what I want to do is I want to put the case on MacBook, the top portion of the case. I want to put this on MacBook before I flip it over to access the back of the MacBook. Okay, I'm gonna put the iPod down now. Yeah, I think you can see this. Okay. Take the case out. Okay. Okay, that's gotta be the front. Open MacBook Pro. And I'm gonna snap this case on. Now, one thing to know about these is that they're easy to put on, but I hear that they're hard to take off. Okay, case is on. Very easy, nice fit. I don't know if you can see this here. Yeah. Nice fit. Okay, now I can flip the MacBook over. Okay, like so. I'll move it over here a little bit so you can see. Okay. Small screwdriver, the smallest one I have right here. And here we go. Let me see how this looks like. You can see? Yes. You can see here. Okay. I know I believe these three right here are the longest screws. So I'm going to take them out. Okay. I'm going to line them up exactly the way I take them out, so I don't get mixed up. They come out pretty easily, no problems. Nice screws, and I noticed on these screws they have thread lock. I see some blue type like paste. The magnet on this thing is pretty strong, so it pulls the screws out really nicely. Okay. Okay, these are the tiny ones. Okay, that's number 4. I'm sorry, wish I could do it faster. But so far, it's pretty easy. I'm not having any problems so far. I have 4 screws to go. Okay, goes like this. Okay. Alright, I have 2 more to go, and we'll be inside MacBook Pro 13-inch. I will pick up the iPod, and I will show you what it looks like on the inside. Okay. Alright, this is the last one. It's out. Now I'm going to take the cover off. Very easy, no problems. It's off. I'm going to put it just the way like it was. Okay. Here I'm going to show you how it looks like on the inside. Okay. Here is the memory right here. And this one is a Samsung memory that's in here right now. So we're going to open this up right here, those two little latches. Okay. Okay, here's one stick, comes out. Pull it out. Okay. Then you have another one. Okay. And I pull this one out. Comes out. Very easy, as you can see. Okay. The same latches that were blocking the first one from coming out are blocking this one. So, like I said, I'm sorry. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed, but I'm going to do the best I can. Alright. Here comes out the other one. Okay. Alright, so that's memory. Here's new memory. I'm going to put in. Flip this baby over. Like so. Okay. You see. Okay. I keep trying to do it one-handed so you can see. Okay. Oops, sorry. Alright. This goes in. Okay. This is the first stick. It went in quite nicely, no problems. First you gotta push it into the pins, the slots, and then push it down. 1 and 2. Okay? And that's it. The first one is in. Okay? Now we're gonna take number 2. Okay? Did you see that click? Did you hear that click? Okay, pushed in, and then you push down on it evenly and click. It's in. And that's for memory. Memory is done. Now on to hard drive. See, there's one screw here, another one here. Those screws have to be removed. Okay, so here we go. And by the way, I'm gonna put these, and you don't have to pull these out, by the way, all the way. They can stay inside that bracket. What that bracket does, it holds the hard drive in. Okay, seems to be loose enough. Okay. Now I'm going to take this out. See, it comes out. I'm going to put it just the way it went in the first time. Now we'll lift this tab, and here comes out the hard drive. Okay. Now be careful, don't pull on it. You see this cable here that's attached. Don't pull on it too hard. Again, I'm going to put the iPad down. Okay, I need to remove this from the hard drive gently. Okay. Alright. Cable has been removed. Now let's verify. This is the old drive. And this is the new drive. Appears to be the same. Same connections. What you have to do is transfer the transfer the screws that you see on the side here. You got to pull them out. So again, I'm going to put down my iPod and remove these screws right here. See, these screws, that's where, when you need this this particular tool, it's like a star shape. Oh, sorry, this one is too big. Let's try this one. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. Perfect fit. One. Two. Three. And four. Okay, 4 screws removed. Put them on the new drive. One. Two. Three. And four. Now I'm going to tie them down. Make sure they're nice and tight in there. Okay. You know, 320 and nowadays, as far as hard drive space, is just way. My iTunes library alone is 330 gigabytes. So I wasn't even going to be able to fit iTunes library in this. Okay, so here's the 4 screws on. Okay, now here's a tab. This tab that was plastic one, I'm going to remove it. Okay, from the old drive, very easily, and put it on a new drive. Okay, there you go. Alright, let me take this over here. Alright, so now let's see how the new drive, which is a lot thicker, fits into the space here. Okay, so first what we got to do, I'm sorry, I got to put this down again. We need to secure the cable back on the drive just like it was. Perfect fit. Okay. We're going to put the drive back in. That's why you put those screws on the sides, because there's slots in there for those. Okay. Here's the drive. As you can see, okay, as you can see, it sits perfectly just as high as the super drive. You see? So you're going to be able to, and exactly even with the battery. So you're going to be able to fit that the 1 terabyte drive easily into MacBook Pro 13-inch. And I'm pretty sure it's the same case with 15 and 17. Okay? Remember this piece? This piece has to go back on. Okay, like so. Get my screwdriver here. I apologize again. I just have no way of securing the iPod in, so I gotta hold it. Okay. Right. First screw in. Second screw in. I want to make sure everything is nice and tight. Take a look around again, so you see how MacBook Pro looks like on the inside. Pretty well built machine. And I think I did pretty much everything on the inside here. So what I'll do now is I'll put the cover back on. Cover is back on. Perfect fit. Here are my screws lined up in the order I took them out. So I'm gonna start with the last one I took out. And these are kind of like on the angle, these particular screws here. Okay. This one is in. Alright. I'm just going to put them all in right here, and then when I'm done, I'm going to secure them. So, you know, this is live video. I didn't fast forward anything or didn't speed anything up. I did exactly, it took me exactly right now 22 minutes to put the memory in with the new hard drive and also the case. So I'm assuming, I think the whole project is probably going to take, the whole project's probably going to take half an hour. Okay. Oh, made a mistake here. I should have put the screws on top of the screwdriver, the head of the screwdriver, because it's magnetic. And all these screws that I put in keep coming out. So that's lesson learned. Instead of putting them all in, just put one at a time, put them on your screwdriver. Here's the long ones. Long ones are in. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'm going to go all the way around one last time. Make sure everything is tied down. Don't over tighten. Don't over tighten these screws, okay? They all did have thread lock on them, so I'm pretty sure once you put them back in, they should lock in place securely. All right, so that's the whole project. all I have left to do is put on the back cover. Here's the back cover, and I believe it goes on like so. A little dirt here. Oh well. Alright. Let's do it here from the back. Okay. Alright, looks to be secure. Alright, let me flip this baby around one more time so you can see. There's my MacBook Pro. Okay, I need to push this case up a little bit, ever so slightly. Okay. Right here, you can see nice fit right here. Everything fits perfectly. I like when everything comes together and so nicely like this. And you close it, nice little package here. Okay, so that's it. The whole project took 26 minutes and 30 seconds.